Good afternoon, Chris. I'm Karen Slabber, the president of the Namibia Hockey Union. Talking to you here from the Standard Bank Development Initiative, which is the outdoor initiative or development program endorsed by the Namibia Hockey Union. It was such a pleasure to be here today to see all the talent from the different regions. And I think if you look at the talent, the skills level that is here, that was on show today, I'm sure there's future Namibian hockey players that is today part of the different teams. So it's a very exciting project for the Namibia Hockey Union. It is one of our two development programs that was also a finalist in the Namibia Sports Awards. So it's a wonderful opportunity for all the players that participate today.